And the mojo of this dojo comes straight from these cats. Josh Tamaoka, Brandon Baptiste, and Josh Planas, who bring culinary cred to their childhood favorites.
We have classic Hawaii plate lunches, make them a little bit better.
Just elevate it.
Yeah.
Which includes the island specialty this place is named for.
Saimin's a really big thing in Hawaii.
Local soup and noodles.
Oxtail table 2.
I got the Oxtail Saimin, which is absolutely amazing.
The flavors are super powerful and strong, but familiar.
What are we making today?
Today we're gonna make some Oxtail Saimin.
Why do we call it Saimin and we don't call it ramen?
So Saimin is unique to Hawaii. It was made in the plantation area. It's kind of when all the cultures came together and they kind of brought their own thing and threw whatever they had in a pot.
Chinese noodles, Japanese broth with Hawaiian flavors?
Toppings. First, we're gonna make the stock. It's kind of the base of all the broths we do. We got roasted chicken bones.
Into about 15 gallons of water.
Pork bones, onions, shiitake mushrooms, green onions, ginger, and garlic.
Now, how long is this gonna simmer down now?
24 hours. Strain it out, and then we'll add half meat stock and then half dashi, which is a Japanese soup base.
We still have to add to that the oxtails.
We braise off the oxtails separately.
Just gonna brown these off.
Then we're gonna deglaze with the meat stock, some soy sauce, mirin, sugar,
I didn't see that coming at
a little
all.
water,
A bunch of ginger.
a bunch of garlic, black peppercorns, star anise,
And
a
a little
little
bay
bay.
leaf.
We're gonna cook this for 2.5 hours.
And we're gonna strain it, pull the oxtails,
Yep.
and build the dish from there.
Yes, sir. Add some braising liquid.
So just keeping the stock hot on the line all the time?
Yep.
What kind of noodle are we gonna use?
It's a Saimin noodle.
And where do you get that from?
It's a noodle on Oahu.
They're kind of like the noodle gods around the islands, right?
Yeah, around the country.
Around the country?
But they started off in Oahu. Put our oxtails in,
Next,
mustard cabbage, kamaboko, Japanese fish cake, green onions,
a little fresh ginger on it, cilantro.
cilantro, some peanuts.
And typically, if people liked eggs, they would get the parboiled.
Yeah, there you go. Oxtail Saimin,
Sign me in. What is the proper way to eat the Saimin?
just like that. Slurp it up.
Is it okay to use this?
Oh, yeah.
I don't get kicked out of the club. Outstanding. It's the cross between udon noodle, where you've got really clear light broth, to the heavy ramen. This is sitting right in the middle of the road, giving you real big, deep flavor, but not over fatty. The oxtail is really legit. The noodles are delicious. You know what I really like is this mustard cabbage. Gives a little bitterness to it, which is a nice relief to all the fat. There's so much flavor coming from that braising liquid, it takes it to the next level. The only problem I have is I can't get my face fast enough. Trying to get after this, and not really the prettiest thing that I've done on the show. But look.
Oxtail Saimin.
The meat is super tender. It's nice and sweet. The broth is amazing.
The noodles absorb the broth. They don't get mushy.
It's really good.
They got a black belt.
Black belt in Saimin?
Absolutely. The Saimin Dojo. I tell you what, I'm a connoisseur. I can teach you how to slurp it.
Show me how to shovel this correctly.
You want to show the chef.
Did you really like it? Okay, here we go. Wow. Strike hard, strike fast. And he's not wearing any of it. I'd have a noodle hanging off the beads by now.
I started off as a white belt, and now I'm a black belt at eating Saimin too.
Really?